Hansel and Gretel found themselves in a futuristic forest where trees were made of sleek metal and leaves were glowing holograms. Drones whizzed by, and robots hummed gently among shining pathways. Dressed in high-tech gear, the siblings communicated using wrist-mounted devices that buzzed with messages and alerts. Instead of breadcrumbs, they left a trail of glowing data points, shimmering like little stars, ensuring they wouldn't get lost. As they ventured deeper, they stumbled upon a sleek, metallic cottage with walls that displayed shifting digital patterns. Intrigued, they decided to take a closer look. Inside, the air was filled with the hum of technology and blinking lights. An AI which monitored their every move through hidden cameras and sensors. Suddenly, holographic screens popped up around them, displaying enticing virtual reality games and 3D printed treats that smelled and looked incredibly real. "Be careful, Gretel," Hansel whispered. "It feels like a trap." Gretel nodded, her eyes scanning the room for any clues. They realized they had to outsmart the AI witch. Using their wrist devices, they began hacking into the cottage's systems. It wasn't easy. The AI, which had set up a labyrinth of digital traps to confuse and lead them astray. Hansel worked on disabling the security cameras while Gretel rewired the sensors. The walls of the cottage flickered and glitched as the siblings fought against the AI's control. Finally, they cracked the code and the door to freedom opened. With a triumphant cheer, they dashed out, leaving the befuddled AI witch behind. Safe and sound, they followed their trail of glowing data points back home, their hearts pounding with excitement and relief. They had faced a high-tech prison and emerged victorious. The futuristic forest shimmered behind them, now just another adventure in their incredible journey.